ki khubor ka bate CTV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum.
Ubah Preston Tensong bulong sembut Menteri Rambak Kejala. Ubah kami ia ketenat kampung ia yang hak arpenyu trik jembang arja apsa. Ula Pynpra bagi cakap ke bagi beri ke bana bar jela ke sak bean halum survey kadai ke pedang hap hapo upur usam jong ke kantonmen. Bala pej bat kami dari Defence Estate Officer Guwahati. Hak jengkran bigila petai kubur ula ong bawat ke sorkar jela kam kwa ban ai jagasa ia ke beri ke basuan rung bat sak bean hendai ke an ke don menle la ke jong ke kamram. Hak bayar day bagi jengli Pynpra jong New Trap Youth Council ia ke Ïing jong ke beri ke sak bean halum survey ubah Preston mulai tu. Bagani ke isu jong kibri ke basa bean halum sorbe kadai ke baladan hak ti jong Ïing Bishar Meghalaya High Court. Bat Lashai ke sengi ke Ïing Bishar kon Shong Bishar hak bai dei bagi jing kendang bagi jing Pynpra ke Ïing hak ni ke jaka.
You knew it well, that place falls under the defence cantonment area, and the appropriate authority also falls under the defence estate officer. Okay. Then what happened was that day, it seems the members of the HYC, they went, even without consulting. Well, we understand the sentiments of our young people, no doubt about it. They have so much sentiment. In a way, they thought that, demolition is such a simple issue. We just go through and then dismantle, that's it. But let me tell you one thing. The law is there. The regulation is always there. We are also not in favor of sheltering them. If they are all illegal settlers, the law will take its own course. So what happened was, in fact, at that point of time when these members of HYC went over there, a cross violation happened. Why I'm saying that? Because this particular issue, it is still lying with the High Court, Honorable High Court. And tomorrow, Honorable High Court happens to go to the second hearing of this particular issue for dismantling, eviction and dismantling of the illegal structures, whatever available over there. So therefore, I would request to all concerned, don't take the law into your own hands, because ultimately you will have a lot of complication. As I said to you, does not mean that the government just sleeping over it. We wanted to do it, and we wanted to verify whether these people, they belong from India or maybe they are not. That still we can't say much about it, because the certification and verification is still on. So I think let us see. As I said to you, because tomorrow the hearing will take place, and maybe after that you will see exactly what is the next steps to be taken by not only by the state government but also by the central government under the leadership of the Defence Estate Officer. I think you will be able to know very soon, because the meeting I think is about to start, or I don't know. I've asked the Deputy Commissioner to call a meeting, be it demolition, eviction, or even when you go all out against the drugs addicts, because mostly when the members of society or whoever, when they go and get those addicts, it's different from when you go from the for those people who supply. Because from the government we are more concerned, in fact, about this supplier, because these are the people who ruin, who spoil the life of those simple people, be it young girls, be it young boys, or be it old also. Now they are addicted to drugs. So the government does not sleep, and now we have already even initiated with that dream, the mission. We took it as a mission mode, fighting against the drugs. So now this mission also is on, and I'm very sure we'll be able to further strengthen this mission in the near future.